Hi everyone, welcome to the video corner. Welcome to the art table today. So yesterday we learned about diversity, about inclusivity. Today we are going to learn about collages. Collages means we are going to have a paper like this. Okay, I already have one on your desks, and we are going to paste bunch of these pieces which is in front of you, and we are going to paste on it. Okay, and we are going to have a collage. Okay, so for that we need a paper with the drawing on it. You already have one on your desk. We would need scissors. We need a bunch of broken paper, like torn up paper, any pieces, small, big, doesn't matter. And we need glue. We are also going to keep our tissue papers handy for accidents and clean up after. Okay, let's begin. First, we are going to take lots of glue and we are going to place it directly on our tree stem. Okay, and we are going to put it on the top where we are going to place everything. All right, so after that we are going to start gluing this on. It doesn't have to be in any order. Okay, you can take any random color and you can start pasting on it. After the pasting is done, we can just simply put some pressure on it so that it stays. Okay, see, just like that. Lots of fun. This teaches you that you can use anything at home to make art. Okay, we don't need anything specific to be home to make art or play with anything. Okay, you can have anything at home that can have art, that you can make art with. Okay, look, just like that. Looking beautiful. Okay, now we are gonna do the tree stem. Where did my tree stem go? Anya, can you find my tree stem for me?
Okay.
Where did the tree stem go? Find it, tree stem, find it. Okay, while my helper Anya is finding my tree stem, we are going to work on our flower. Okay, we're going to take the glue and we are going to put all over the flower, on the stem and on the leaf. Okay, after that we are going to take pieces. This time I'm going to take little bright pieces for the flower. Okay, and we are going to gently press it. Try to roughly have the shape, the round shape of the flower. I am just using pink, okay, for the flower. I don't want to use any other color, but that's my choice. Okay, you can have anything that you like. Now for the leaf, what color is the leaf? What color is the leaf? Green. So we are gonna put green on it. Okay,
Mama, you should check under the green paper just in case if it's there.
oh, let's find it. No, it isn't.
Uh-oh.
Okay, for the stem I'm gonna use yellow because I don't have a brown with me, so I'm just gonna use yellow. Okay, see, such beautiful flower. See, did we need anything for it? No, right? Okay, since my helper Anya is unable to find the stem of the tree, we are again going to use random paper. This time I'm just going to use green and I'm just gonna put it on here. Okay, green, yellow, whatever you like. If some pieces get stuck together, don't worry about them, you can still use them. Okay,
Let's check under here. Oh, it's not there.
See if you can find something that you draw. Use your imagination. Okay, that's a good example of using your imagination. Use your imagination to put things together. So it doesn't have to be, I already told you, it doesn't have to be in the exact shape. So we use anything we want to. I'm using the green ones. Okay. I'm gonna do it upside down. And we are going to shower this with our green paper. Okay. I have yellow left. I have pink left. Okay. After this dries up, I want each one of you
I found it.
put your name on it. Oh, look, Anya found the tree trunk as well. Oh, look.
Sadly, we don't need it anymore.
Sadly, we don't need it anymore. That's right. But that's okay. We can complete the art with whatever pieces we have.
It's also your art. You don't need any perfect colors.
That's right. See, you're learning. Thank you, Anya.
You're welcome.
So here you go. All done. So
Yay!
just like that, we are going to make a tree and a beautiful flower with pictures, with just bits and pieces of paper, and we're going to put it together. After this dries up, we are going to put each of your names on it, and we're going to hang it on the wall so that you can look at it and you can show your mommy and daddies when they come to pick you up. I hope you had fun. Bye.